Okay. I hope I haven't kept you hanging for too long on this railing. My plan was to get this video out as soon as possible so you could get some closure. Yeah, this railing. Boy, oh boy, this should be fun today. Let me show you exactly what's going on here. You can see I've got this side. This side's pretty good. I mean, I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person it looks pretty good. When that's all wood-filled, sanded, I don't think you're going to notice a huge difference here. I can't say that for the other side. The other side is crazy. It looks like a glitch in the matrix, especially right there. Like that's, I can't accept that. What I did though is I have this piece here that is going to be a better fit for this other side. And all I got to do is figure out how to get part A glued to part B. This is going to be quite difficult to do.
Why don't you just keep it like that?
Because it's, no, that's, no. That will drive me crazy.
I'll take my chances. I believe in dancing. When the times get hard, I ain't afraid to work. I watch the sunrise like it's the last time I might ever get to see her smile. Well, I'll never know why I was born to go, but maybe I'll need to understand it. I'll take my chances. I watch love die, and I let love hurt. I've been the man with the gun and the innocent one on the run. I pulled the trigger on the safest bet. I looked the devil in the eye, smelled the whiskey on his breath. Well, I'll never know why I was born to go, but maybe I'll need to understand it. I'll take my chances. I'll never know why I was born to go, but maybe.
Ooh. That pulled up good. Right where I kind of wanted it. There is a little bit of a gap there, more than I would have wanted, but I know that I'll be able to wood fill that, or caulking or whatever, and it just won't even be noticeable. That's pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
That's good. This week's video was kindly sponsored by Ritual. If you haven't seen in my past videos, I've now been taking Ritual for a couple months. My mom has also been taking the vitamins with me, so I decided to ask her to help me with this sponsorship.
The first thing I noticed about these vitamins when I took the cover off and just smelled it, first thing in the morning, that beautiful scent of peppermint just opened up my my nostrils. And I thought, this is a great way to start the day, just to smell that. When I turned 60, I started thinking about finishing strong in my life.
Ritual helps men and women of all ages fill the gap in their diet. These 2 easy-to-take capsules provide 10 nutrients to support a strong foundation for your health. I absolutely love how transparent Ritual is. Inside of the package, you'll find an easy-to-read and easy-to-understand ingredient package. Ritual's multi-daily vitamins are vegan-friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and they contain 0 sugar. Every ingredient in Ritual's multi-daily vitamin is hand-selected from the best suppliers. From Illinois, Argentina, Norway, and Utah, just to name a few. It's only $1 a day to receive the 10 high-quality vitamins your body needs, and they're delivered straight to your door every month, no strings attached. I really like that feature because I think vitamins are one of the easiest things to forget when you're walking around the grocery store. If you're ready to fill the gaps in your diet and you'd like to help out our channel, check out the link in my description below and you'll receive 10% off your first 3 months. I'd like to really thank Ritual for sponsoring my channel not once, but multiple times. I really appreciate it, and I really couldn't ask for a better company to do so because I like everything you do and how you do it. You're the exact kind of company that Sarah and I look for, and we appreciate it greatly.
What makes the world stop turning? Is it the touch of your skin? I couldn't be further from you, but you're still right here. I caught a plane to Portland for a few days' work. My heart stays heavy on you, and you're on my shirt. All the in-between keeps us on our feet through the day and day and the dreams. We'll find our ordinary, the hope we carry. Some days feels like a burden, but this blood inside our veins was paid for with purpose. There's a ghost in these bones and it's willing my soul. I feel it like a fire to let my love pour over you, darling. It's my one desire. All the in-between keeps us on our feet through the dead and day and dreams. We'll find our ordinary.
Yeah, see what I've got is these little lines right here, all to help me. So I line up this to the center line, so I know it's going straight up and down to the center line. And then see this line? This line is center to the post, and this line is exactly where I need it to be. So see how that's like perfectly lined up. And then once you nail it and glue it, it shouldn't move.
Crashing getting higher, but I'm flying too low. I see the earth is spinning and I can't let go. Crashing on the moon, calling mission control. Is there anybody out there, or I'm left here all alone? I see the earth is spinning, but I still stand tall, tall. Now the time, I can see the goal. I know what you're thinking, but I never fall. Don't wake me, 'cause I'm dreaming. Million stars surround me and I'm feeling so strong. From 200,000 miles it won't just seem so small. Million stars surround me and I want to have it all. From 200,000 miles.
The last step here is to store the rest of these spindles away for future generations. Or me, if I break one, then I'll need it. But these have stood the test of time. Alright, so we're just going to kind of finish the job that we were doing yesterday with the phone wires that were coming into the house. I kid you not, 4 or 5 families have kept these in the basement safe and sound for me today to use. I wish I knew who took these out and saved them, but thank you. And now I'm going to keep them safe for anybody in the future that might need them for whatever reason. Today is Sunday, and the stairs are done, so I feel like there's not much that I would want to do today. And I asked the kids if they want to choose what I work on, and what did you guys decide?
The cupboard under the stairs.
The cupboard under the stairs.
It's a little playhouse.
Yes.
Yeah, cut it tomorrow. We can fit in it.
Yeah. So when we were, I guess, framing this section, I think Lily was reading the first Harry Potter. And as you know, Harry lived under the stairs. So they wanted a spot like that. And I did one. It's pretty rough in there, you know, so I need to clean it really good. We've got a whole bunch of materials that we're going to put underneath there. And I'm also going to be wiring up a kind of like a night light type thing. I think it'll be pretty cool.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Waiting on your path to face truth at last. Winding through your mind, moment, space, and time. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. Do you remember this time? Do you remember this time? Will you remember this time? Will you remember this time?
Open it up and show everybody the secret door.
It's just not going straight.
Isn't that cool?
Video.
Every hiding spot needs to have a secret door.
secret door is gonna be for some special stuff.
Show me those nice shelves.
Right here.
Yeah.
And here.
Yeah, what are you gonna put on those?
We're gonna make it a like bookshelf, but because it's too thin for I can books, read right here. We're gonna make mini books.
Mini books? I thought little toys and stuff.
Like
and then I did put, let's see if I can show you. There's a outlet up there, and what I'm gonna do is put a little light in there.
It's supposed to go here.
Yeah, like you have in your bedroom. Well, that's a job well done. And some of you are gonna say, well, that seems not necessary at this point. Like, wouldn't it be more important to get something done on the house? And my answer to that would be, you probably haven't been watching the channel very long. We've never been in a hurry to get the house done, and my children have waited very patiently for what, 2 years? Probably 2 years to have this spot done, and now we can say it's pretty much done. I put the outlet in there just in case they want to bring something in there that plugs in, like an alarm clock or a light, a radio. I didn't want them to be plugging something in down there and then running a cord up and through, because someday there's going to be a door on there, and you don't want cords in places where they're going to get shut in doors and pinched. So it's safer to put an outlet in there. The outlet that's in there is also a tamper-resistant outlet, so you really can't shove stuff in there. As I was doing that, Mom's been up here working hard. Actually, I heard you scraping like the whole time. You're trying to do the citrus strip. Yeah. Those are your last 3 hard steps though, right? I mean, this too, I guess doesn't look super good, but these, you've made some good progress on all these stairs going down. Another thing that Mom has been working on is the built-in had to be sanded a little bit. The Amish, they didn't take it to like 220 or anything. So she's been sanding that whole thing. And as you can see, I couldn't wait, but I put 2 of the openers. These are new, but they're made to look old. We got these from someone that hand makes these out of Niagara Falls, New York. Once we get the built-in oiled and the hardware all on it, then I'm going to be concentrating on doing the Patreon wood burning thing with my laser burner. I'm really looking forward to doing that. I just needed to get this oiling and all that protection done before that step. But soon. It will be on there soon. Closet pole heights. As a rule, it's a rule. Place the top rod 80 to 82 inches from the floor and the bottom rod 40 inches from the floor. Not 42. 40. I know this is not going to work, but I'm going to... Oh, it did work. Okay. I know that's going to work. I'm going to get the electric screw gun. There's no sense in trying to rifle these in with a manual screwdriver. What is this, like 1805? What the heck, man? That should fit. I cut it. Oh, it's tight. 52 and a half. I need a pole that's 52 and a half. Oh yeah, nice. well, that was it for this week. We're getting really close to moving in. Don't tell anybody. It's probably going to be way, way, way before November. But we will see. Things can happen. Have a good week, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.
That's a wheelie wobble. Yeah, I'll take a video of the wheelie wobble. Yeah.
It's flying so randomly.